Lisa. I'm the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that everybody should play Ghost Riders in the Sky on their ukulele. Let's dive in. You need basic chords, an A minor. You go to an F from the A minor and back to the A minor. Just pick up that finger. There's also a C. And you play more C's in this song than anything else. I find it is best to finger your C with the ring finger and middle finger for the A minor. I like to do a bum-ditty strum on this. A bum-ditty strum sounds like this on an A minor. Bounce, down, bounce, down, bounce, down. Has a nice cowboy flavor. To do the first bounce, you're just going to bounce your finger that you're strumming with here on the top two strings. Bounce, down, bounce, down, bounce. The down up is not equal. It's a 2/3 to third relationship, and I find these words bum, ditty, bum, ditty, bum, ditty, bum, ditty, really helpful for getting that feel. This is also called the cowboy strum. Why? Because it sounds really cowboy, at least with this song it does. So the hardest part about this tune is the timing. So let's go through in a really slow play along, and I'm going to help you figure out the timing. See here on the first verse, on day, way, and saw, I've got those highlighted in yellow because you have to do an extra bum ditty. Jump in the windy day, another. And then when you get to skies, you have to do 2 extra bum ditties. Skies, 1, 2, and up a cloudy draw. 1, 2, 3. So that's what that means as we do it in the chord chart. You've got to. I'll be saying those softly as we go along to help you get it figured out. On the day, way, and saw, I'll just say another. On the chorus, you have to go yippee-yi-yay. And I see people get lost on that all the time. So let me help you. We're going to have an annotated play along here where it's yippee-yi-yay is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yippee-yi-yo, 2, 3, 4. Ghost riders in the sky. 2, 3, 4. Let's do a slow practice play along together. I'll kind of whisper out the numbers and another and things like that to help you keep on track. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3. Old cowpoke went riding out one dark and windy day. Another. Upon a ridge he rested as he went along his way. All at once somebody heard of red-eyed cows he saw, and plowing through the ragged sky. 1, 2, and up a cloudy draw. 1, 2, 3, yippee-yi-yay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yippee-yi-yo, 2, 3, 4. Ghost riders in the sky. 2, 3, 4. Brands were still on fire and their hooves were made of steel. Horns were black and shiny and their hot breath he could feel. And a bolt of fear went through him as they thundered through the sky. Another. We saw the riders coming on. 1, 2, and he heard their mournful cry. 1, 2, 3, yippee-yi-yay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yippee-yi-yo, 2, 3, 4. Ghost riders in hard to catch the herd, but they ain't caught them yet. Another, they've got to run forever in their range up in the sky. Another, horses snorting fire as they ride on, hear their cry. 1, 2, 3, yippee-yi-hey. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yippee-yi-ho. 2, 3, 4, ghost riders in the sky. 2, 3, 4, so riders looked on by. He heard one call his name. Save your soul from hell, riding on a range. And cowboy, change your ways today, or with us you will ride. Another, trying to catch the devil's herd. 1, 2, across these endless skies. 1, 2, 3, yippee-yi-hey. Riders in the sky. 2, 3, 4. All right, we made it. High five. Yeah. Let me know, was this helpful to your ukulele journey? I want you to have a song that's easy and fun under your belts and everything's just going great. Hopefully my dogs didn't make too much disturbance to this here, because we're all in our cabin in Alaska and they're chewing on antlers. So, all right, folks, take care. Let me know down in the comments. Did this help you? I'd sure like to hear from you.